How to sign into Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign into Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now signing into Uber Eats is actually a fairly simple thing. All you have to do is open up the Uber Eats or the Uber application here, and once you have done that, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface here. Now over here, all you have to do is just tap on the continue button. Then it will ask you to continue with your phone number. So if that's what you're looking for, that's perfectly fine. Or you can simply enter your mobile number, tap on continue, or you can continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, or email. Now in my case, my Uber Eats account is already linked with Google, so I'll just select continue with Google, then tap the continue option here. I'll select my Gmail account and I'll be successfully logged into Uber Eats. That's all it takes to log into Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.